That's where we're going. Yeah, I don't know if I would deem this one lost or abandoned, or if nobody just realizes it's here anymore. You can see where I'm literally walking next to an interstate. On the other side of that little wall is interstate off-ramp. I had to park a half a mile. Right there is the interstate. And that group of trees is where we're going. I think it is anyway. We'll see. Kind of see where I'm at, the area, section I'm at. Foster Cemetery. Oh, well, that was not seeing those. Was not seeing those. Said Foster Cemetery, but all of these are Owens. Henry in 1890. Howard F. 1890. Lena H. Mitchell, 1883, maybe? It's difficult to see, I think. can see right there, zoom in, you can see right there the interstate. Oh. Emmeline, wife of A.J. Owens, born 1825, 1897. All this rock has been here since then. And again, we always find something that's Alice Kennedy Minton, 1975. That I'm guessing is the last burial here. Great deal of small ones. That. Charles Turner Sr., born 1850, died 1876. Here, Minerva Foster, 1835 to 1898. Never seen Minerva spelt that way before, with an M-A. I thought it was an M-I. What do I know? Oh. I'm walking over trees to get to these. Better be thankful. I'm adventurous. Cannot read that. Birthday seems to be 1884. Can't read anything else. WP. Cannot read the name. Again, just that hand-built wall all the way around. Lots of small ones and broken off pieces. Sorry if you can't hear me well, it's windy out today. Wow. Never know. This was here. Make sure the gate's closed back, just like I found it.